Welcome to HWM Aston Martin. My name is Mike. I work here at the sales department at HWM Aston Martin. We've just taken to stock this beautiful DB11 Volante in midnight blue. It is a 2019 car, so we're going to take a walk around and I'll give you a few more details of the actual car. So as I touched on, it is 2019 model year DB11, covered just under 23,000 miles, 2 previous keepers, so again, a very well looked after DB11. Again, the specific details, midnight blue, so it's a beautiful kind of classic Aston Martin colour on the outside of the car. Not too many of them about, to be fair, so it's quite a nice rare kind of combination of having something a bit timeless with a bit of colour as well, which is quite nice. The traditional kind of chrome badges we have here again, we do have the chrome grille, but that does complement with what we call a lower gloss package, so we'll look around the car on the side as well to give you a bit more detail. It is a 4-litre V8 engine. Again, that is the only option available on the DB11 Volante. So moving to the side of the car, we do have your alloy there, which is the turbine alloy, so it's finished in a silver chrome kind of look to it. It does sit on a grey anodised brake caliper, steel brake discs as well. You do have a little bit of silver trim down the side of the car on the fender, and then the lower gloss package runs through the lower of the car as well. It does have colour-coded wing mirrors, so again, this car, when we put the roof up, you'll see it has the upper in blue as well, complemented with the blue roof, so we'll show you on the video shortly. Again, the side of the car, you do get a little bit of PPF on the lower section just for the wider part of the car. You get your fuel cap just here, which is a touch release, and then we do have the red tail lights, which we'll take a look at now. So there we go, the red tail lights. We do have the Aston chrome script and badging, the lower gloss package on the back as well, and we do have the active aero as well, so your little spoiler will go up at certain speeds depending which mode you're on in the car as well. Parking sensors front and rear, also comes with a 360 camera as well, which is quite nice. And then you've got your high level brake light just here, which is finished in a silver chrome edging. So onto the inside of the DB11, we do have a dark nice upper, so we have a duotone contrast on the inside of the car. We have a comfort seat with a cream truffle interior. It does have contrast stitching again, so it gives you a little bit of the blue on the cream truffle and a little bit of the kind of ivory on the blue section as well, which is quite nice. Headrest with the embroidered Aston Martin wings. And again, the upper is actually a kind of an ivory, a light kind of cream truffle on the upper as well, so a very airy interior. In addition to that, we do have things like your gloss door cards, silver jewellery packs, and again, we do have the optional on the touchpad, and it does have the premium sound system as well. Thanks for watching this short video on our DB11 Volante now in stock. I'm sure it won't last long. Obviously, summer is around the corner, so feel free to reach out to anybody in the team, and we'll be happy to show you around the car.